Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I ordered myself a little something from Print Pression. Let's see what we have here. This is What's New Wednesday. I'm thinking of bringing that back, or possibly Wednesday's hauls, even though I won't be doing it every week. Maybe every now and then I'll do a What's New Wednesday. So it's packaged nicely. Alrighty, so let's set these aside for now. This is A5 dividers for A5 rings. So I'm going to, of course, use it half letter. These have a protective film. They are clear dividers. Okay, so that's what those look like. Let's open it up and see what they feel like. Everything that I got here was 50% off. Okay, so that's the protective film. So this is what they look like without that. Very crystal clear. Okay, so nice. They're pretty good quality, not super heavy. I don't know measurements and thickness, but these are pretty good quality. And this is 6 dividers, A5. Okay, then I got this. This is a precision pen cutter, so it's one of those. I think I have another one of these somewhere. It's one of those ceramic blades that I don't know how to use. Let's see. So it's got an extra. This is some old ratty scrap paper that I use when I'm inking up stuff. Let's see if I can cut. Which way does it go? I'm never good with these. See, I was trying to go this way and it went that way. But as you can see, it cuts well. Very little pressure. So this would be good for washi tape. I'm trying to remember to use it. If I could just guide it to go the way that I want it to go. It wants to go this way and I want it to go straight. It's still not going straight. Okay. So for some reason it goes, let me try using it the other way. Nope, I have to use it this way. See how it goes to the side? Okay. Now I need to figure out where to put this so that I don't lose it. Or maybe I should just put it back in this and just keep this. But I'm going to keep this in my pen cup, my pen mug. All right, so these are tabs. I guess they go with this. And they're just simple, I think, vinyl tabs. That's what they look like. So you got gradients of pink. And this is the gray. This looks like a marble. And I think this was a freebie because of how much I ordered. Then these are the months of the year. They're tab style too. They're shaped like tabs. But it's silver foil. So it's from Print Pression and Scribble Prints Co. I think this is a freebie add-on. All of this is freebies. So let's do one at a time. Scribble Prints Co. It's like a purpley foil. Scribble Prints Co. Hollow foil. Little icons. I'm not into the little characters. I think they're cute, but I just don't really have any. But I'll try and use them. Probably in my paper mood. More Scribble Prints Co. See that hollow foil? These little icons. I guess this would be good for a monthly. Then this is green. Oh, this is nice. I'm going to set this one aside to use for March. And this is a coppery color foil. So what are these? Okay, these are like header covers. So I got 2 of those, 3 of those. Then here's another one in the copper. More icons. So these are like the circles, and then these are, I think, just kiss cut around, around the icons. Lots of freebies. And then this is like a brushed silver. Okay, so I need to use those up. Then for the big stuff, okay, let's see what this one is first. I kind of know. Dun, 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 dun. This is, love that comes with the dust bag. This is the Traveler's Notebook Classic Snap in Pink. And it is B6 size, which is the same basically as what I have the Dollar Tree planner in, I think. Just a different color. And instead of the elastic, I got the snap. I like the snap better. I don't know about the color. I see myself making a huge mess with this. The Dollar Tree planner is fine because even though I've messed this up a little bit, but I mostly keep that in the drawer unless I'm doing a spread. This I plan to use possibly. I don't know. This may not work out because I'm already rethinking the body book, already rethinking the inserts that I created for this. So we'll see. But as it stands, because I'm thinking I can combine this page and this page. Maybe I don't need so much room. Combine it and make it all one page. I don't know. Anywho, when I originally picked this out, I thought, well, I can use it like so for my body book. And maybe I'll like the body book better. I don't know. It doesn't fit that great. Since that doesn't work as I'd hoped it would, maybe I can use it with this. I know I can use it with the Stalogy. I just didn't really want to. Now that works perfectly. It's just that it's so very pink. It would take a lot of getting used to. But then that still leaves the dilemma of covering this. I don't know. What do you think? Should I put the Stalogy in here? I mean, I do have the pink dashboard. Pink is like one of my favorite colors. I'm going to leave it in here for the time being and see how I like it and go from there. Let's see, I can even put it in the second snap and make it real nice, tight and snug. Feels okay. Let's see how clean I can keep it. So Stalogy is in there for now. Still undecided on how to handle the body book. So that's one of the big things that I got. Then the other thing, I had something in mind when I got this. Dun, 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 dun. I thought this would be a lot darker than it is. This is the Ring Planner Patina Carbon Gray. It looked darker online, but it's fine. That is what I got these for. And you know how I started the reading journal and then I just stopped reading? I think I go through phases of reading. I go through phases of a lot of things. Like right now, I'm in an off phase for doing junk journals, and I know it's going to come back, but something happened recently that made me feel like, well, maybe I should just give it up. But I do love it so much. So hopefully I'll get that inspiration back and go to it. But I feel like the same thing happened with the reading journal. I do love these journals so much. This is a mess on the back, but it's from Smart Planner Co. And it's got the same weight paper that Archer and Olive has for like a fraction of the price. I'll link to these in the description box below. I got mine on Amazon. And so I tried. Wow, I put this in here for 2022. Okay, yeah, I started it kind of at the end of 2022 and I fell off immediately with it. I think it's too much for me to keep up with a complete reading journal and doing spreads like this. It was just too much. Yeah. I like putting the books in. Did I write in any of these? Yeah. I like the idea of it, but I didn't realize it had been that long. And then I started using it kind of as a media journal. So when we went to see Wakanda Forever, Wednesday, wow. And I tried to do the months, which I don't really know why I felt like I needed the months. And this is what I was reading back then. I saw Knives Out. All of the, well, most of these, there is a video for the spread. You can check that out. And then I was going to start 2023, and I didn't get very far. This was supposed to be like Candyland. And then, yeah, I stopped reading. So I'm reading a little bit again. I decorated this with Let's Get Plans, of course. There's books. This was Isis Ella Jules. More of the books that I never put in. So I made it to March. I even tested out that tab technique. I was so scared to cut this, but I did it. So I did a lot more than I thought I did in here. And then I stopped. So I have all of this. I think I did pretty well. I mean, yeah, a little less than half. I think I would go about a reading journal differently. I do like the bound book, but maybe I could try it in rings. That way I don't have to commit. And if I don't finish or if I don't continue, I'm not limited and stuck with what I've done in the rings. I can just take it out and get rid of it. Whereas here, I would have to cut these pages out if I wanted to use it for something else, or just keep them in and live with them the way they are. I really like that effect with the tab pages. So I'm thinking of turning this into a media entertainment journal, but using the rings instead of a bound book. There may be another option coming, so I'm not going to commit to this yet. I don't know that I'll be decorating in it. I don't know how I'm going to play this, how I'm going to work it. But since I could get this cover at 50% off, it was something that I did not have in my stash. And this is awfully wide. I like this cover. I wish I'd have gotten the B6 in this color. I wonder, is it too late? Anywho, that is everything that I got. That is what I'm thinking about doing. Let me know what you think about doing reading journal in rings, in half letter rings. Because then I can just take some dot grid or grid paper and do whatever I choose. I can use my reading inserts, my book log inserts. And I'm also thinking of upgrading those or updating those and making something different. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to keep these, of course. I guess I could keep this with this for now. Nope, I'm going to keep it in the cup. Then these. can go in here because I don't know which one I would use with the tab. See, this opens up back here. Let's stick that down in the corner back there. So now I can store my stuff in the pockets where I'll forget about it for sure. I'll keep the ones with the numbers with this one because I'm more likely to use them here. And then I guess I'll put all of these with the paper moved if I can fit them all in here. Alrighty, I did put my Coletto pen in here. When I'm not recording, I tend to use the Colettos, or when I'm scribbling in a notebook somewhere, I tend to use those. Anywho, that's enough rambling around. So that's everything that I picked up from Print Pression. Did you shop the sale? Let me know in the comments, what did you get? I think I'm going to go back and look again and see if I can find a smaller version of this. I'm not crazy about the floppiness of this, but I think once I start adding to it, it'll be fine. Again, I try to get things that are versatile so that I'm not stuck like I am with the reading journal. I'm stuck with either leaving those pages in there and just using it for something else. Whereas with this, if I don't like it as a reading journal, I can change it up. Same thing with the body book. I'm not stuck with a bound book because I do have a B6 notebook that I could have used, but I'm not stuck with a bound book. I can always take those few pages out and use those discs and covers for something else. So we'll talk about that in another video. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.